No. Fucking... Okay, went through her shoulder. He only had one in that barrel. Fucking beat his face in. Actually, you know what, Chase? When I said I wouldn't kill him, I fucking lied. I will. No. He doesn't deserve it. After everything he said he was gonna do, and after everything he has done, this may be a hard choice to make for a superhero, like Batman, but I'm not Batman. I'm Mecha Man.